More now on the latest developments in the Delphi case. The suspect in the Delphi murder trial has his original defense team back on the case tonight.
And it's not guaranteed that things will stay that way. CBS 4's Eric Graves is back in our studio tonight. And Eric, you were in the courtroom and you also spoke with local experts about this order as well.
Yeah, Aaliyah, like so many of the unexpected twists in the Delphi double murder case, this seems to have created new questions on what direction it could go. Experts we talked to say they could see Judge Frangol seeking a different path to remove Allen's attorneys, this time in a hearing in open court.
It was just 4 hours after this moment the Indiana Supreme Court came out with a decision, something we don't see often.
Very, very, very rarely.
We were totally shocked by how quickly this decision came out from the Indiana Supreme Court.
Lawyers and experts we talked to say this emphasizes a point Chief Justice Loretta Rush made Thursday. Their priority is getting the Delphi double murders case back on track.
This is what they think is going to be best, and everybody's going to have to get along going forward.
The order gave Richard Allen his preferred defense team back, but denied the removal of Judge Gohl and a trial within 70 days. Richard Allen is suspected of killing Libby German and Abby Williams near the Monon High Bridge in 2017. Bradley Rosie and Andrew Baldwin originally removed themselves in October over an evidence leak. The question that remains now is if Special Judge Frangol will move forward or seek to have the attorneys removed again.
I believe Judge Gohl does still have the authority to remove these attorneys for their past conduct that she removed them sua sponte for last time.
Jody Madeira, a professor of law at Indiana University, says she could see Gohl doing this.
She was very concerned that the conduct of these attorneys would prejudice Allen's trial.
The move would most likely further delay a trial that is scheduled at the moment to start in October of this year.
That attorney removal process would take at least a month and a half.
Madeira says there is a possibility of attorneys being reprimanded over the leak but not being removed. Murder Sheet podcasters Anya Kane and Kevin Greenlee say it's important to not forget about the victims' families and how this leak of sensitive materials impacted them.
At the end of the day, you had two families have their trust in this system shattered.
Don't forget, we are still waiting on the opinion from the Indiana Supreme Court of why they issued this order. That could shed more light on how this case will continue. What is certain as this trial continues, as this case continues, there will now be even more scrutiny on these attorneys and these judges and this judge. I'm Eric Graves, CBS 4 News.
All right, Eric, thank you. The suspect in the Delphi murder saw new charges filed against him yesterday as well. Richard Allen was previously charged with 2 counts of felony murder. The county prosecutor also added 2 more counts of murder as well as kidnapping. Experts say the charges reflect the prosecutor's confidence in the case.
I think basically that the prosecution is just trying to get all of this out on the table. I don't think the timing was of any significance. They just wanted to file the charges as soon as they had enough information to sustain them.
And you can find reaction to this week's developments in the Delphi trial online at CBS4Indy.com. Just look for our coverage on the front of our homepage.